Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Subscribe to our channel. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw A. And here is black color. A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J and U is blue color. J for jackfruit. K for cane. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quill. It's now I draw R and here is red color. R for rabbit. S for snack. T for tiger. U for ankle. V for vanilla. W for well. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and here is green color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.